Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 6. Save the layer. Now delete the layer by dragging the layer to the trash icon or press Delete key on your keyboard. Now bring the logo into Photoshop from your PC or laptop. Adjust the logo according to your image so it can easily be placed on the t-shirt. Now choose Multiply. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. Make sure the horizontal and vertical scale is 10. Open the saved layer. Now go to FX and Blending option. Press Alt and click on the arrow once. Drag it a little bit to blend the logo. Let's zoom a little bit to see the result. Thanks for watching. See you soon.